How do you spend your allowance in 1 week? You have 25,000 won. I will go to Artbox or Daiso. I have 2 reasons to support my opinion. First, the Artbox have many kinds of things. For example, my Artbox have card games, stickers, diary, and many cute pencil case. Also, Artbox is popular to my friends or students. But Artbox is too expensive. For my experience, my brother and I go to the Artbox and buy something to pay. My brother loses many money. Second, Daiso is very cheap. In Daiso, there are many kinds of objects and snacks. Also, it has yoga band, music file, and doll. From my experience, my parents and I go to Daiso. I choose many things like masking tape, index, smolder, sharp, and ball pen. But it's always cheap. So I have 25,000 won. I will go to Artbox and Daiso. In conclusion, if I have 25,000 won, I will going to Artbox or Daiso because Daiso is very cheap and many objects, and Artbox is many kinds of things. Thank you for listening to my presentation.